At ERTH Corporation, we believe in connection, a connection that is rooted in the utility industry and branches far beyond the grid. It's a connection to our team, our customers, our partners, and the environment. To understand the importance of connection, you must get to know ERTH. Beneath these 4 letters are the building blocks to a diverse group of companies that are 100% municipally owned and built upon the values of customer focus, commitment, excellence, innovation, safety, and sustainability. From our headquarters in Ingersoll, Ontario, and multiple satellite offices, we are a trusted advisor, contractor, and partner, dedicated to helping our customers thrive, both locally and internationally. To the small southwestern Ontario communities within the ERTH Power Service Territory, from Lake Erie to Lake Huron, we are your hometown utility, working through the late nights, early mornings, and raging storms to keep the lights on. To the municipalities and utilities with complex business demands and technology requirements, we are your trusted subject matter experts for billing, document fulfillment, CIS application management, cloud computing, and EBT hub services. To the engineers, mechanical service technicians, and sales reps out in the field, we are your source for estimating and quoting software to streamline and grow your business. From high voltage substation maintenance, repairs and installations, to efficient lighting solutions, metering services, and utility construction, you can count on our team of certified professionals to light the way and get the job done right every time. Because we believe in providing connections you can count on for your home, your business, and your community. We are ERTH Corporation, and we are defining influence.